Welcome to Tesla's Gigafactory, where innovation meets precision engineering. Operator, place the coils on the flatbed by the loading dock. We need that truck secured for transit immediately.
The surface integrity looks good on this quadrant.
Agreed. Let's finalize the settings for the cut.
Right here, this edge needs rework. Mark it down for priority before we stack the next pallet.
Battery production is one of Tesla's most critical steps.
Advanced systems handle lithium and cell components safely.
Engineers monitor every detail digitally.
Cell temperatures are holding steady. Cross-reference that with the voltage metrics on screen 3.
This new GigaPress allows us to cast the entire frame in one piece.
The structural advantages alone are a game changer.
These frames are cooling exactly as modeled.
The structural integrity looks good from here. Let's check the thermal data.
The readings are stable across the board. Check the seismic stabilizers on sector gamma 9.
The automated calibration seems to be holding steady. Look at that weld precision.
Okay, rotating the model to 350 degrees. Watch the alignment measurements. Right there. The stress tolerance in the weld seems low based on the cyan readings.
The car body slowly takes its final shape. Next comes the paint process. Robotic sprayers apply flawless layers of paint. Paint is cured for durability and shine.
Each color is inspected under special lighting.
Interior assembly begins with wiring and electronics.
Seats, screens, and controls are installed.
Human workers add final precision touches. Battery packs are mounted into the chassis. Motors and drive systems are connected.
Each Tesla begins to feel alive.
Software systems are installed and tested.
Autopilot sensors are calibrated carefully.
Wheels and tires are fitted. The vehicle rolls forward under its own power.
Quality checks happen at every stage.
Panel gaps and finishes are inspected.
Interior systems are tested.
Vehicles undergo safety verification. Only perfect cars move forward.
Finished Teslas are prepared for delivery.
Vehicles are loaded for transport worldwide.
Each car is tracked digitally.
Tesla vehicles head to customers globally.